Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you this very simple and easy melon and pumpkin farm that you can build in your survival world. So as you can see, this design is very simple, very easy. There's melon and pumpkins in here and they are destroyed by the pistons and the hopper minecart collects them. Now this places the melon and pumpkins into the same chests. If you want a tutorial on how to build a compactor and a sorter using copper golems and crafters, then I have made a tutorial on that, which I will link in the description. Right, so let's get on with building. So right here is everything you will need for the build. These cobblestone blocks, these are just building blocks. You can use anything. You can use netherrack or dirt or whatever. And you don't actually need 2 stacks. These are just some extras that we have here. When it comes to how many melons and how many pumpkins, this can fit a maximum of 40. So just pick however many you want. You can do all melons, all pumpkins, or I'm doing half and half now. You will also need a hoe to till the soil. This hoe can be any hoe. You don't have to be a diamond one specifically. To start, you will want to build a 9x9 square of dirt. Once you've built this 9x9 square of dirt, you will want to go right in the middle, place a slab, and then waterlog it. Now, you want to till the soil in a grid pattern. Once you have your grid of tilled soil, simply plant your pumpkins and your melons. Now, once you've tilled all your soil and planted all of your plants, you want to build a grid of pistons and observers above. Now, the tricky part about building this is that the observers need to be facing down, while the pistons need to be facing up. Or the other direction, whatever. The observers should look at the crops, and the pistons should look at the empty places next to them. Now that you've done that, you want to place redstone dust all across this, so all across the top. Now, when these change, all of the pistons will attract. This will destroy the blocks. The last thing we need to do is build the collection system. Place a series of rails below the dirt platform. The railway line should go all below the dirt and then go back around to the start, like this. You also want to replace 3 of these things right here and right here with powered rails. Now that you have the powered rails, you need to go below them with a lever and power them. You can do this with also a redstone block or a redstone torch, but this is simply way cheaper. So just go below, power, and place 2 hoppers facing into these blocks. Then place a chest here, and also place railways here. Now we can take our minecart, move it along, and voila, it will now collect the things. One last thing I recommend you do that is not required, but again I heavily recommend, is to build a protecting shield here. This is because sometimes the melons and pumpkins will just fly out, and it's a better idea to just keep them contained in here so that the minecart can pick them up. The farm is now complete and working. Again, if you want an automatic way to sort these items and compact the melon slices, then I will have a link in the description to my previous video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out my other videos and like and subscribe if you enjoy. Bye!